Welcome, beloved. This is a space of sacred unraveling. A space where you no longer have to be who you've been performing to be. A space where the masks melt, the armor loosens, and the real you returns. Find a quiet place to land. Let your body sink. Let your breath deepen. And allow yourself, just for this moment, to not hold anyone else's pain. This is for you. Now imagine yourself walking barefoot through a quiet forest at dusk. Each step leads you deeper into the woods, deeper into stillness. The world behind you softens, blurs, dissolves. You're not running away. You're returning home. You come to a small clearing where a glowing cocoon, silken, warm, alive, is suspended between two ancient trees. This is your cocoon. This is your sacred space to dissolve. You step inside, and the moment you do, time slows, light dims, silence holds you. Here, in the dark warmth, everything false begins to melt. Let the layers fall one by one. The need to be perfect, the urge to fix, the belief that your mess makes you unworthy, the fear that love must be earned. Any old beliefs, let them fall away now. Feel them slide from your skin like old clothes, not with shame, but with reverence. Each once kept you safe, but you don't need them anymore. Whisper softly, I release what no longer belongs to me. I remember who I am beneath the layers. I am safe to soften, safe to rise. Let yourself fully dissolve in this holy darkness. There is no rush. You are not being undone. You are being made whole. And now slowly, you begin to feel a warmth in your chest, a soft golden light pulsing gently from your heart outward. You are reforming, but not into someone new, into someone real, authentic, radiant, sacred. You feel your wings, yes, wings, beginning to stretch from your back. They are not delicate, they are powerful, strong enough to carry everything you are. You burst gently from the cocoon, not with force, but with grace, and you rise, whole, worthy, home. Take a few breaths here. Feel your body now. Notice what has shifted. And when you return to your day, carry this truth with you. You do not need to become someone else to be loved. The real you is more than enough. The real you is rising. Namaste.